The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is here and it's amazing. This SUV has everything you need for a comfortable and thrilling ride. It has a sleek design, a spacious interior, a powerful engine, and a host of advanced features. The CX-90 is a new nameplate for the Mazda brand that will replace the CX-9 when it goes on sale in spring 2023 as a 2024 model. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. This video will discuss the new 2024 Mazda CX-90 and what's new for 2024. Stay tuned and we will find out today. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is a sleek and elegant SUV that combines style and functionality. The new model features a redesigned front grille, LED headlights and taillights, and a sporty rear spoiler. The body is aerodynamic and spacious, offering a comfortable ride for up to 7 passengers. The exterior of the 2024 Mazda CX-90 is stunning and sophisticated. The SUV comes in 9 different colors, ranging from classic white and black to vibrant red and blue. The wheels are 18 inches alloy for the sport trim level and 20 inches alloy for the other trim levels. The SUV also has a power liftgate, roof rails. The interior of the 2024 Mazda CX-90 is spacious and comfortable. The SUV can seat up to 7 passengers with 3 rows of seats. The second row can be configured as a bench or as 2 captain's chairs, depending on the preference of the driver. The third row can be folded down to create more cargo space. The SUV also has a 10.25 inches touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, wireless charging, panoramic sunroof, and a head-up display, a new signature trim level that adds Napa leather seats, genuine wood accents, and a 12-speaker Bose sound system, a new Skyactiv vehicle dynamics with G-Vectoring Control Plus system that enhances handling and stability. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is a powerful and efficient SUV. The CX-90 is powered by a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 engine with a 48-volt hybrid system, delivering either 280 or 340 horsepower depending on the trim level. There is also a plug-in hybrid option that combines a 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a large battery pack for 323 horsepower. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. The SUV can achieve an estimated fuel economy of 24 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is an affordable and attractive SUV. The starting price for base trim level is $33,990, while the starting price for the signature trim level is $46,990. The hybrid option adds $3,000 to the price of each trim level. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is expected to arrive in dealerships in late 2023. So, what do you think? All the information on this video is unofficial, but the official specs, features, and 2024 Mazda CX-90 will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.